Hi, hello there. Chico Lebowski here from Wackystuff on Facebook, whatever. So now we're going to do a table today. So we're going to resin this cheap IKEA table. And basically you have to prepare it and line it so it's got the copper colour on it and a bit of white, and it's 240 grit and it's been sanded, so it's all ready to go. Alright? So, pro tip, got 2 pairs of gloves on, so halfway through the mixing we can take a bit off. Alright? I'll make sure the table's level. Thanks Sue for telling me that.
Very important.
So I've put a spirit level over it so the resin doesn't fall off. So we're going to put a thin layer over it, so we're going to put a few colours over and then do stuff and the magic will happen. Okay? So I've mixed up the resin just by weight in there, and I'm just about to mix the colours there. So we've got coloured powder, so we're going to do a goldy bronze, a blue, and I've got some green spray paint which we're going to put in it as well. So it's all going to be happening in a minute. There you go, green spray paint. Bit in there, especially use plastic pots so you can see what you're doing. Bit in there, bit in that one. And now we're going to put our powder in. That one's for the green spray, so we'll do that in a minute. So we need a bit of blue, and I've got so much resin on my gloves I can't undo the bag. So it's fully integrated with the resin. So this resin's already got hardener and resin put together.
Hardener and resin?
The resin and the hardener, yes.
And what percentage of that do you put in there?
Just by weight 50%. So
what?
100% resin to 50% hardener.
Oh right, okay.
Alright?
What, by what? Ounces?
By weight.
By weight.
Any weight.
Any weight, ounces, grams, kilograms, tons.
Tons, yeah, who cares?
Elephants.
Right, elephants, that's true. That's that one mixed, I think.
Some people measure them by rabbits.
Top tip, you need a cloth to wipe stuff on.
Top tip.
So we've got a thing there. And now we're mixing the blue.
Blue, and what's that percentage?
Well, it's the same.
Wait a minute, it's gone a bit dark. There we go.
Right, so not only you can take powder, you can also use acrylic spray, which also, top tip, mixes with the resin to give different effects. So I'm going to spray the green, which is the highlight colour, straight in there.
Bit windy today.
I'm doing it out here because of the smell.
And it's a little bit windy, so you might get covered in green paint, but you know, hey ho, hey.
I'll mix that a bit and I'll spray a bit more in, I think.
And will that absorb into the resin?
Yeah, that absorbs into the resin. Top tip, you just mix it a lot.
He needs
so a bit more, I think. A bit more.
Stirrer. And that's just any old acrylic paint?
Yeah.
Not special car paint?
Well, it is car paint actually.
Oh, right.
There you go, it's coming a nice
just
green.
Just be careful you don't...
That's the colour I want. A bit more, I think.
Oh, he wants nice. You can see the colour by the colour of his gloves.
And you can see it because you've got to see through top tip, you have to see through cups so you can see what you're doing.
Oh, top tip, another top tip?
Yeah, there's loads of top tips going on here. Right.
Don't get maxed up.
So I think we're just about ready for the action. So here we go. So we start top tip, you don't pour it at the edge, just pour it in the middle.
Wait a minute, you're not in focus, wait a minute. You're not in there.
We're going to have a nice copper bit in the middle, blue in the corner, a bit more white and blue. So
wait a minute. One.
So we just pour it on. Don't need a lot.
Can't see you in this. You've done this before, have you?
Oh yeah. So we haven't got enough resin. All there. More here, I think. Right, so let's get the edges. This is called chopping. You do that to get rid of the tail marks and brush marks.
Oh, right.
Alright.
With a brush.
Yeah, with a brush.
What about this bit at the end here?
It's going to be a different colour.
Oh, right.
Over here. And a bit on the end. Stick glue. And we're going to have some white. And we're going to have some white there.
Oh. 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 It's all a bit.
A bit there. A bit there. A bit there. Like it. Now we're going to brush that over, but I haven't got the right brush, so. Yeah.
What? Why? Why are you using your fingers?
Because it's easier.
Oh, yeah, but is it as good?
Yeah. There we go.
Oh. Oh, we've got a dog join us. So it's just a matter of smudging it on.
Yeah.
The white's disappeared a lot, hasn't it?
Right. This is, you've got the secret top tip.
Top tip.
The secret is layering. So you have to layer colours on top of each other. So this is the first layer.
Oh, right, first layer.
You've got loads more to do, yeah.
Oh, have you? Crikey.
Oh, yeah. That's the first.
What you need?
So this is top tip layering. So in a moment we're going to put the green on. Then we're going to torch it a bit.
Torch it?
Yeah. Then we might put some more on.
What about the gold? Is that enough gold on it?
Maybe. We'll see. We're going to apply some alcohol spray in a minute.
Alcohol spray?
Just to give it some... and now we're going to do some green.
See, it's all swirly.
So this is a highlight colour.
Highlight colour.
So we're going to green. Go like that.
Oh. Oh, it's very colourful.
It is. Right, so work that in a bit.
Yeah. If you have a dog, make sure he doesn't sit under the table. He's under the table.
And now we're going to use the heat gun to spread it out a bit.
So say that again.
So I've taken one glove off, top tip, so I've got a clean glove now. So we get the heat gun.
Wait a minute. Calm down. Go like that, please.
Like that.
Wait a minute.
Let it warm up a bit. Now we're going to spread it out. This is the heat gun. You have to do this to get rid of the bubbles. So you have to burn it off, which gets rid of all the bubbles.
Where'd you get the heat gun from?
Anyway, you want.
Is it the same thing you use for creme brulee?
Yeah.
What bubbles are there? Are there a lot of bubbles?
Air bubbles. What? Air bubbles. If you don't do this, you're going to get air bubbles over the piece.
And you don't want air bubbles?
Keep working the sides to stop the drips.
Oh, that's a good top tip. Don't forget about the sides.
We're ready for some more. Just need a bit more white, I think.
Chicken, chicken, chicken.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Right, what this is isopropyl 90% alcohol.
Where'd you get that from?
Online, and I'll put some metallic powder in it. And when I spray it on,
Metallic powder?
Yeah.
What, the metallic powder you've been using?
when I spray it on, it should react with this and make sort of bubbly, sort of granity sort of effects.
Oh, wow.
So we're going to test a little bit
Wait a
first.
minute.
So I'm going to do a bit there, just to see what it does.
Can't get it.
So you don't spray the whole thing in it, Just a bit here and there.
Can you see it reacting with it? Oh, it looks like this gives it a bit of depth, doesn't it?
Yeah. Right, hang on a minute.
Oh wow, see look what's happening there. And then what do you do with that? Do you just leave it like it?
Yeah, well, we're going to do more yet. We've got to do cross grain black lines in a minute.
Oh.
So we've got to cross the angle and all this, and you get more black
What have you got to do next?
In a minute, we're going to do black lines going across that way.
For what reason?
With a ruler to give it different effects. So I'm going to get a ruler. There's a ruler. Give me black stuff. I'm going to draw lines. It will look a bit messy to begin with.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to go like that. Like that. And like that. Cross grain.
Sort of like marble.
Like marble, a little bit.
But not marble.
That's it. Okay. So that will gradually sink in. Now we're going to put some more green on. So we're layering still. So we're going to do that a bit. Just to disguise it. And that will disguise it a bit so it doesn't look so artificial.
What about in the middle bit? What are you going to do in that middle bit?
Well, we've got more green to go on yet. There you go. Okay, so now I'm going to put a bit more green on.
What about your edges? Are you doing your edges?
Oh, edges, yeah, we've got to do the edges, yeah.
Don't forget your edges.
Keep working the edges. Keep working on a bit more green. Maybe a little bit there.
See if it's better around here.
So, a little bit of white across there.
I think you should have a bit more blue in it.
And a bit there.
Looking at it. A little bit more blue.
And I'm just following the black with the white. We'll work that in a minute, I think, with the white.
So how's the alcohol spray worked at all?
Well, it's made giving it depth.
Oh right, it has.
I might put a bit more on in a minute.
I quite like these little blobby bits here, surprisingly, with that, yeah. Aren't you going to sort of blow it about a bit now?
Yeah,
I like it when you blow it about.
Let's torch it a bit. Time as it dries.
Oh, as it dries?
Yeah.
And how do you know that you've torched it enough?
Well, if it starts smoking, you don't too much. Basically.
Yeah, but it isn't. So when you're torching, it's not going to have. You're not going to see any effects, do you?
Well, sometimes you can move it a
I
bit.
can see smoke coming up now. Oh.
So here we are, coming on well. And it's the final touches right now. So watch how it moves it out. Yeah. It's looking good. But the final touches to get rid of the white so it doesn't look artificial.
Sorry?
Yeah, coming on well. So there we go, there's the finished article. You can see the green. Here we are. And you can see the white in there with the crystals, look, shiny crystals. Bit of purple. And we've got some nice effects here, that marble looking there. And some green.
Tell them about using the hairdryer.
On the hairdryer, yeah, we gave up the heat gun, so I had to use a hairdryer.
Which is good fun.
But I've torched it 2-3 times now, so we shouldn't get any air bubbles. So that's it. Okay, stage 1 is done.
Stage 1?
Stage 1, so there we are. It's now settling and it's going to dry. Just come back to me. Right, you can see all the interesting bits of with the alcohol made it all deep pattern.
Can I just come over to you?
And that. You see all that there? Just focusing on that soon, slowly. So don't move it. You see all the depth of colour and the purple. That's it, come up again. And we were a little bit thin in the middle here, so I didn't trowel it properly. But apart from that, we're alright. Come back to me. So top tip, make sure you trowel it properly. So the next stage, yeah, okay. Next stage is to sand it with 240 grit, then put a thin layer of clear resin over the top, and then job done. So that's it. Another resin table from Wackystuff. Bye. Right, hello there. Chico Lebowski again from Wackystuff. So here we are. Sorry, I'm shouting. Yeah. Here we are. There's Chico from Wackystuff.com, and here we are. And pan around a bit soon, like that. And there's the finished table. Look at that, it looks fantastic. Now you come in a bit, zoom, come in a bit. Now look at this green here. We've got the green, we've got the effects, we've got more effects, and even a bit of purple. So top tips are, if you can see there's too much powder in that, so I didn't mix the resin with the powder properly, so it's too thick, and I put a little bit too much black on. But apart from that, for me. And over here, if you look over here, that's an air bubble.
I can see a few actually.
2 or 3 air bubbles where I didn't burn it off properly. But apart from that, it looks fantastic. So back up to me. So that's it. That's the pro way of doing a epoxy resin table. So thanks for watching and see you again soon. Bye. That's it.